My dear students, welcome you all from our Sahaj Learning channel. In the previous class, we learned about the classification of the organic compound based on different characters. But there are also different other classification of the organic compounds based on other different properties. Basically, the closed cyclic compounds can be divided into many other types. In this class, we will discuss about the ways the closed cyclic organic compounds can be divided into. So, we can start now. The cyclic organic compound, we learned about what are the cyclic organic compounds in the last lecture. The cyclic organic compounds are again divided into two groups, that is carbocyclic organic compound and heterocyclic organic compound. Now the question is what we mean by carbocyclic organic compound and heterocyclic organic compound. Carbocyclic organic compound means when in a cyclic compound the total ring is formed only with carbon. No other element except carbon is present in the ring, or the ring is only formed with carbon-carbon chain, then it is called carbocyclic organic compound. For example, in cyclopropane we can see only carbon form the ring or chain structure, then it is carbocyclic organic compound. Its opposite type is heterocyclic organic compound. When any other element except carbon takes part to form the ring structure, then or takes part to form the cyclic compound, then it is called heterocyclic organic compound. For example, in pyridine, you can see in the ring all are found with carbon but except one. Here one nitrogen is present. That is, an element nitrogen is present to complete the ring which is not carbon. So, as from definition we can say that it is a heterocyclic compound, or heterocyclic organic compound. Any other element except carbon which is present in the ring is called hetero element, and the compound is called heterocyclic organic compound. Cyclic compounds can again be divided into two types based on their chemical properties: alicyclic compound and aromatic compound. Then what is alicyclic compound and aromatic compound? Alicyclic compound. Alicyclic compounds are the compounds which are formed by ring structure or carbon-carbon ring but shows the chemical properties like open chain organic compound. For example, cyclopropane. Here it is a cyclic compound, it is found with carbon-carbon chain, but when we do a chemical reaction or when we check the chemical properties of this cyclopropane, we can see the chemical properties of the cyclopropane is just simply like the open chain organic compounds. That is the closed chain organic compounds which shows the properties or chemical properties like open chain organic compounds are called alicyclic organic compounds. And its opposite is aromatic compounds. Aromatic compounds are benzene and its derivatives are called aromatic compound. Actually, the aromatic compounds are explained with Haeckel's rule. We will learn about the Haeckel's rule later. For example, in benzene, we can see that it is a closed chain organic compound, but it has alternate double bond, and this alternate double bond always changes their position. Alternate double bonds always changes their position, and this continuously changing of position, they show some different chemical properties and a special type of stability and different type of chemical properties which is called aromaticity. So the closed chain organic compound which has an special chemical properties or contains some special chemical characters, they are called aromatic compounds. For example, benzene is an aromatic compound. In summary, we can see the closed chain compounds can be divided into carbocyclic and heterocyclic. Carbocyclic is when the ring is only formed with carbon-carbon chain. Heterocyclic is when any other element except carbon is present in the ring. This is heterocyclic compound. Both carbocyclic and heterocyclic compounds are divided into alicyclic and aromatic compounds. Alicyclic is though it is a chain ring or ring structure, its chemical properties is like open chain compound. Aromatic is it has or it contains different chemical properties from the which is different from the open chain compounds. The heterocyclic compounds also can be divided into alicyclic and aromatic. That's all about this video. Thank you for watching this video, and if you are new to our channel, subscribe our channel for more videos and join our Facebook group to take part in the discussion. The link of our Facebook group is given in the video description, and if you have any question or if you want to take part in the discussion of this lecture, you should join the Facebook group. Thank you all.